welcome to all of you and a heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha, would like to thank all of you for liking and sharing and subscribing our YouTube and Spotify channels and writing in your comments and suggestions there. Today we have with us Mr. Goyal, and sir, a warm welcome to you.
Thank you.
Sir always shares some gems with us in his own very simple way. So, sir, what is it that we are going to learn from you today?
No, Anuradha ji, you are so good in extracting good points.
Thank you, sir.
And today when you said that we will do something on divisional chart, some new point you give. So I was thinking of Navamsha.
Right.
And in Navamsha, we discuss every house. Lagan, 7th, 4th, happiness,
Right, sir.
boom, etc., everything. Longevity of marriage. But we never talk of third house of Navamsha. Now, third house is the courage, efforts of any divisional chart. So what courage or what efforts you put in once your marriage is fixed. So our point is, the rule is, if there is a malefic relation with third house of Navamsha, there will be some obstacle you will face before your marriage. Now, Saturn is the biggest culprit in that.
Okay, sir.
If there is a relation of Saturn or Rahu, Ketu, etc., so you have problem before your marriage.
Yes, sir.
The second point, normally the girls, they ask, how will be my Sasuma?
Mother-in-law, yes.
So we have always talked about 10th house of Navamsha and all this, but nobody asks about your Sasur, father-in-law. So third house is your father-in-law also. How he will behave with you. Actually, if you take any house, the trine lord is a friend. All trine lords are friends.
Yes, sir.
So any horoscope, the third house lord will be a friend of 7th house.
Yes, sir.
And whether he does good to you or bad to you,
Imitate. Yes.
Depends upon the association and affliction or good aspect received by the third lord also.
So
that depends on the action of the lord. Okay. So, but our main point here is that third house, if afflicted by Saturn, basically, it will cause obstacle before your marriage. Okay. Marriage is fixed. After that, he will cause obstacle before the marriage is fully ceremonized.
Okay.
Yes, this is the point.
Sir, so Saturn does that. What would Mars or Rahu, Ketu, Sun, all these?
Ketu, Rahu, I have said, it gives problem. Mars can exchange bitter words or hot words of temperament that can go high. Here, Sun, we may not take as a big malefic because he is not a malefic. He is not papi.
Okay.
He is cruel as a king.
Right.
King can be benevolent also and cruel.
Yes, sir.
Both. So Sun will not give that much effect. But I have experienced Saturn is the first. Then comes Rahu Ketu. Right. So this is the gist or the talk of today. We can demonstrate it if you want.
Right, sir. So we can take the chart of Abraham Lincoln. This is the D1 chart, sir.
Okay. See, we are more concerned about D9. But
Right.
if it is present in D1 also, this also can give some problem. Now here Ketu is sitting there. But D1, we will say the Ketu is not that malefic because Mars is aspecting it. Mars is the Lord. So it will give problem. But if it repeats in Navamsha, that is the real judgment. See, Navamsha also, Ketu is again in third.
In the third house.
So it will give delay, some obstacle before the marriage. Obstacle can be caused anyway, by any means.
So there was a problem in their marriage.
Yes.
He got engaged to a lady and of good family, of good repute. He wanted to marry her. At the last moment, before a few days before marriage, he had cold feet. He was getting jitters. He felt he couldn't sustain the marriage and they called off the marriage. And 2 years later, he got married to the same.
Again, there was an obstacle by his own thinking.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Right, sir.
So this happens. In any chart, it happens. You can take...
So here there is another point that you said about the father-in-law. Because
yes.
the dean...
So, no, here the father-in-law will not be very indifferent or because Mars is aspecting it. They can be arguments, strong arguments.
Okay, sir. So in fact, there was differences, as you said, there were differences because Abraham Lincoln didn't believe much in slavery and his wife came from a very slave-oriented background. Yeah. Father-in-law was very well off and had a lot of slaves in the estate. So there was a lot of differences on that between the father-in-law and the son-in-law in that respect, especially when the father-in-law saw the daughter working so hard in the house. That is the reason. As you said, because they are friends, they care more for their own child.
Yes.
So can we take the next chart also, sir?
Yes, take it.
Yes, sir.
Now in this chart also, in the birth chart, Saturn is aspecting Jupiter in third house.
Right, sir.
Okay. Right. And in Navamsha, only Saturn is aspecting
the third house. Yes, sir.
And here the situation is not that good. Earlier, Lincoln's chart, Mars was aspecting it. Now here, there is no friendly aspect. And third house is the sign of debilitation of Saturn. So, in this case also, marriage was fixed. Cards were distributed. But I met with an accident, serious accident, and was in bed for 3, 4, 5 months. Even at the time of marriage, I was in bandage.
Okay.
There was a bandage on my eye, which was covered by a dark glass. So nobody could see that bandage inside my eye.
Okay.
Okay. So that is what happens if there is a malefic aspect. And from my experience, I say Saturn is the more giving more danger, more obstacle, greater obstacle.
Right.
Right.
It's a very beautiful thing that we need to understand two things about this third house very clearly, that if your third house is aspected by malefics or especially Saturn or Rahu Ketu, then there is sure to be some problem after the marriage is fixed.
Yes.
And consequently, there can be the planet, depending on the planet, there can be differences between the father-in-law and the prospective spouse.
And the chart holder.
And the chart. Yes, sir. Two very beautiful points. Do look into your charts. Do let us know how it's working for you. Till we meet with you again, stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please hit the bell icon for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel.